Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 10 II and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, and let's focus at this button here. By tapping on this we can easily change aspect ratio of the camera, and we can pick from 4 and 3, which is now, as you can see in the background. I can change it to the 16 and 9. And this is how it changes, so this is a little bit longer here. When I tap on this again, I can pick the 1 and 1 ratio, so this is the square one here. And also here we have access to 21 to 9, so this is the full screen ratio here. So this is how it works. Now let's go back to the original 4 and 3. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.